Hello everyone, so in this lecture I am going to brief you about the Cain and Abel tools. So you can download this tool by searching on Google. So let me show you how you can download on Cain and Abel software. Just as you can see, you can just download this from this website. As you can see, just download and just install on this on your machine, then it will open up, and you will open up like, let me see, again just double click and it will open up. So now we are gonna review some different tasks and some different utility inside this software. So as we explained in the enumeration for these tools that can be installed from previous, as I show, the website is completely free tool, so you don't need to pay anything, and it's a very powerful tool and very handy for us for the penetration testing. So let's just briefly go through these different sections and what that does in every different way, because it is a big tool and we are gonna use this tool in the future lectures. So right now I'm just gathering the basics demonstration of how every of these toolbars option does. So here in the decoder, we can use this tool just to grab all the cache from the machine from the local machine. Sometimes you have like username and password saved in here, and you will be able to retrieve them. So whatever you log on, like Facebook, email, Facebook, Gmail, Twitter, or any other website, any username and password will be saved in here. So if you go to the decoder and then click on the plus sign, then you will be able to get all the cache and the machine that are connected, so that you can use in different way, but actually we can use them in enumeration. So if you are not aware of that, you can just search enumeration Cain and Abel and you will get a lot of details. It can also be used to do an enumeration to connect through using analysis to any server or client that accept conversation, and to be able to grab all the account username and share them as a group and so on. And we just able to do that using this plus sign tool. Just press and you will get all the options. And let's go to the sniffers. Sorry about that. So if you click on the plus sign, as you can see, the sniffer must be activated. So you have to create first, then you can use sniffer before. So when you click the plus sign, it will create or sniff all the network or all those IP and MAC addresses inside in your system network. So then you can click on network and go to quick list, and you can see all the machine in here, and they will be categorized according to the service, and it will start. And so if an HTTP password is here and certain that SMTP, so any password or any credential will be captured using this application, and that will be displayed in a password. So except for HTTPS, which we can use another attack to interpret those credential. If you are victim, then you are using HTTPS connection. Also, it not only intercept HTTPS, you can use username and password, so it can also intercept the voice. So if anybody is using any kind of voice or IP various application, even intercept application as well, that we can click on it. So what can you do? You just click on a IP address and then put the username and password. As you can see, connect username and password, then press connect and it will be all connected. So any kind of application even intercept, that is OL, you can write it. So the intercept all kinds of traffic data, and we also went through API and we used this on middleman attack, where we can explain the attack in middle, where we can click on the plus sign. As you can see in here, you can select any of these and click on the plus sign, and then it will intercept and any traffic going from this machine or to the router, that could include the website username, password, or any kind of traffic. So this will establish a management attack. So, and also will do that in the future to tracking the password. It's a very handy tool. So you spoke about someone's utility and is a password cracking part. It can also be used if you have a hash or encrypted text. So you can click this plus line and it will add this hash, and here you would be able to crack it. But some techniques to do that, or if you just keep it for and you click it next, and then you will get the all account from the local machine from the same file. So it will get you the hash file, and after we explain, then we will try wireless hashing. We can try now at the lower part. As you can see, you can see all those password in here, or any routing or any APR, all those options are in here. As you can see, and here it will show all the host. So you can go and got them and separate it. So I just want to remind you that we did all sorts of attack inside the password cracking, and a tool that is not used anymore, especially the wireless one. So we have some more advanced lectures on wireless where you can try to get the web key, but actually no one is using that anymore because you have a different tool with all the translate techniques to use it. So this is just a summary of this tool, how we can use this. So it's a very, very simple and handy tool, and make sure you install this disabling your firewall. And as you can see, my Windows security and also my firewall is both off because it cannot run on both turning on, and it will block all those network connection, and you cannot even open this application while this and Windows security is turned on. So make sure you turn this off, then it will work properly. So it's a very, very handy tool, and I strongly recommend you to download it and start discovering the tools and doing some attacks there for on your network using this tool to see how effective this tool it is.